8 prisoners escaped from the Hunts Bay police station, allegedly during sanitization activities.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
8 prisoners escaped custody from the Hunts Bay police station lockup in St. Andrew on Sunday the 19th of April. During the time the police say a COVID-19 sanitization exercise was in progress. Information is that a sanitization exercise was being done at a section of the facility to prevent COVID-19 between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. As a result, the prisoners were moved to a temporary holding area on the compound. At the end of the exercise, it was discovered that 8 prisoners breached a section of the holding area and escaped. An official statement from the police said, one of the prisoners who escaped has since turned himself in. The police said the prisoner, Ricardo Johnson, was on Sunday brought in by his attorney and his mother. Meanwhile, the police have stepped up their search for the other men and are seeking the public's assistance in recapturing them. They are 18-year-old Shavar Smith, otherwise called Boy Boy of Crescent Road in Kingston, who was being held for 1 count of murder. 25-year-old Maldine Lemon, otherwise called Mallow, of Espute Avenue in Kingston 13, and Bob Marley Boulevard in Kingston 2, who was being held for 1 count of murder. 31-year-old Michael Ellis of Ramsey Road in Kingston 13 and New Green District in Manchester, who was charged for the offence of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and robbery. 31-year-old Nicholas Petrie, otherwise called Nico or Gamecock, of Seabreeze, Bournemouth Gardens in Kingston 2 and Kent Lane in Franklin Town, Kingston 16, who was in custody for murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, along with housebreaking and rape. 24-year-old Leroy Burrell, otherwise called Caliber, Tickman or Baby King, of an area of Majestic Gardens in St. Andrew known as Zinc Fence. He was being held on 3 counts of murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and robbery with aggravation. 23-year-old Roger Gaynor, otherwise called Screechy, of Varma Road in Kingston 11, who was charged with robbery and breaches of the anti-gang legislation. 23-year-old Kenure Holness, otherwise called Oliver or Grimy, of Waltham Park Road in Kingston 11. The police are urging other escapees to turn themselves in, and are reminding family members and residents that it is an offence to harbour a criminal. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of these escapees is being asked to contact the Hunts Bay Police at 876-948-6443, the Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.